Hey everyone, get this. We are diving deep today into something super cool.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. It's all about like this new AI tool.
Okay.
And it could be a total game changer, especially if you're a small business owner,
Yeah.
you know.
Interesting.
So there's this workshop happening. It's called, get this, Google's most powerful AI tool will blow your mind.
Ah,
I know, right?
get the cheek.
It is. And it's on Wednesday, October 30th at 10:00 a.m.
Okay.
And it's hosted by this amazing woman named Ramona Foster.
Oh, I've heard of her.
Yeah, she is a social media marketing trainer and consultant. And let me tell you, she's already using this tool to get incredible results.
Yeah, and the potential of this is just huge.
Right.
We can't reveal the exact name of this AI tool just yet, but what I can say is that it's designed to really boost productivity,
That's what I'm talking about. Like, give me something that can.
especially for small businesses.
Yes.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm already so curious. Can you give us just like a little sneak peek? What can this tool actually do? So imagine this. You have a tool that can just take over all those really time-consuming tasks
Ah,
that
yes.
bog you down as a small business owner.
Oh, tell me more.
And on top of that, it's super privacy focused, so you don't have to worry about it storing your data or personal information.
Oh, thank goodness, because that is
Big relief.
a huge concern. Like, it's 2024, you know?
Yeah.
Okay, so it's powerful. It keeps my information safe.
Mm-hmm.
But how does it actually work? Can anyone use it? Like, even if you're not a tech wizard?
Absolutely. Ramona, in her workshop, she's going to be sharing actual examples of how she's using it for her own
Oh,
business.
that's awesome.
Stuff that normally would take hours or even days to do, and she'll break it down for everyone so they can use it too.
Oh, so it's like step by step.
Yeah, exactly.
Perfect. Okay, this sounds like a can't miss workshop. So what are some things that Ramona has actually created with this AI?
Well, the exciting part is that this tool can really level the playing field, so to speak.
Mm,
It gives small businesses access to things that might have been way too expensive before.
gotcha.
And Ramona will be showing exactly what those are during the workshop.
So anyone who attends this workshop is going to walk away with like actionable stuff
Oh, yeah.
and a clear picture of how to actually use this tool.
Exactly. It's all about giving small businesses the tools they need to succeed, with everything changing so fast.
The digital landscape is like
It's moving quickly.
a whirlwind.
Yeah.
Okay, so I am so excited for this workshop. It's happening Wednesday, October 30th at 10 a.m. Google's most powerful AI tool will blow your mind.
Don't miss it.
You cannot miss this.
Really think about this. What could you achieve if you had this AI power in your hands?
Food for thought.
Right.
I love it. All right, everyone, thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time on The Deep Dive.
See ya.